In the shadows where I find my peace, lost in thoughts that never seem to cease. Every tear's a diamond in the light, turning sorrow into something bright. Rising high above the deepest blue, in the sadness there's a beauty too. Through the darkness find the brightest hue. Every moment paints a world anew. Whispers of the night speak soft and clear, telling tales of dreams both far and near. In the silence hear the purest song, where the heartache heals and we belong. Rising high above the deepest blue, in the sadness there's a beauty too. Through the darkness find the brightest hue. Every moment paints a world anew. In the gloom I found my sweetest friend. Every end's another way to mend. In the stillness hear the echoes call, hiding beauty in the rise and fall. Rising high above